The next recital video has been submitted by Aishani. Aishani became my student back in 2017 and this is her fourth recital song. If anybody can remember the last time we actually had a recital at the church, Aishani was one of the girls in the skit that we had at the beginning of the second half. Aishani is a very good student, always well prepared. And today she'll be playing a song by Andrea Dow called Wolf.
Hi, my name is Aishani, and I'm going to be playing Wolf by Andrea Dow.